चलयेची बॉडी पुरायला आशिल्ल्यान वळख पटप खूपच कठीण जाला. पुलिसांक चलयेच्या बोटाक मुदी मेळ्ळी. हे मुदये वयल्यान ते चलयेची कोणी वळख सांगीत म्हूण आतां पुलिसांचे यत्न चल्ल्यात. चली वा खुन्या विशीं कोणें म्हायती दीत जाल्यार ताका इनाम दितले आनी ताची वळख लिपयतले, असो उलो उत्तर गोंयचे SP कार्तिक कश्यपान मारला.
The body appears to be of a young female, probably aged between 15 to 30 or max 35. It's been burnt beyond recognition, burnt completely, and the lower part of the body has been probably mangled by some dogs, and one leg has been found at a certain distance from the scene of crime. So far it appears that from the description, whatever we have been able to, she's a young girl, probably aged between 15 to 30. The height would be around 160 to 165, 155 to 165 centimeters from the foot and other thing. Appears to be an Indian girl. So we'll give you the photo of the ornament, which is still intact in the body, and I would appreciate from your medium, if from your platform, if anybody can give us any information in this regard about this missing girl having this particular ring and the bangle. Anybody coming forward with any information will be suitably rewarded, and their names will be kept confidential.
So what time did you all get the information about that?
Around 7:45 at the control, and police reached here on the spot immediately as soon as we got. Senior officers were here within an hour's time, and we have cordoned off the entire area. The forensic team is here, forensic experts are here, forensic doctors are on their way, and we will leave no stones unturned to find the culprit.
प्रुडंटा खातीर शिवोलेच्यान श्यामसुंदर फडते.